This video will break down one of the most powerful yet misunderstood parts of search engine optimization, off-page SEO, what it is, and how to do it right in 2025. Most people think SEO is just about keywords and on-page tweaks, but the truth is that what happens outside your website can have just as much impact on your rankings, credibility, and traffic. Off-page SEO is all about building your site's authority and trust across the web, making search engines see you as a reputable, valuable source worth ranking higher than others. So, what exactly is off-page SEO? In simple terms, it refers to all the activities done outside your own website to improve its search engine rankings. Think of it like building your digital reputation. The more trusted, referenced, and connected your site is across the internet, the more search engines like Google will value it. This includes backlink building, social media engagement, brand mentions, guest posting, influencer collaborations, online PR, and local SEO signals. If on-page SEO tells Google what your content is about, off-page SEO tells Google why it deserves to rank. Let's start with the most important element, These are links from other websites pointing to yours, and they act like votes of confidence. Not all backlinks are created equal though. A single link from a reputable site like Forbes or HubSpot can be more valuable than 100 links from random low-quality blogs. Focus on earning backlinks from authoritative, relevant websites in your niche. You can do this by creating shareable content, such as data reports, infographics, or in-depth guides that naturally attract attention. Guest posting on credible sites is another effective way to gain backlinks and showcase your expertise while driving referral traffic. Next, let's talk about brand mentions and social signals. Even when a website mentions your brand without linking to it, search engines take note. It's a sign that your brand is being discussed and trusted across the internet. Similarly, consistent engagement on platforms like LinkedIn, X, Twitter, Instagram, or Reddit can indirectly boost your SEO. While social media doesn't directly influence rankings, it increases your visibility, brings more traffic, and encourages back. The more people share and engage with your content, the stronger your online reputation becomes. Online PR and influencer outreach are also essential parts of off-page SEO in 2025. Getting featured in digital magazines, podcasts, or industry roundups helps you reach new audiences while earning high-quality links. Partner with micro-influencers in your niche, not just celebrities. They often have loyal followers who trust their recommendations, which can result in valuable mentions, backlinks, and traffic. Use tools like HARO help a reporter out to respond to journalist queries and get featured in media publications. Another important element is local SEO, especially if you run a business that serves a specific area. Make sure your Google business profile is optimized with accurate information, reviews, photos, and regular updates. Encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews. These serve as off-page trust signals and can dramatically boost your local search visibility. Local backlinks from community websites, news outlets, and directories also help strengthen your off-page SEO.